Hey everyone, today I'm going to go ahead and start just with my base done of Coverup and powder. Then we're going to go ahead and start contouring the face with a very warm shade across the forehead and the cheeks, adding a little bit of pink onto the actual cheeks themselves as well as the bridge of the nose. Carry that same contour warm color down the sides of your nose as well as the bottom to go ahead and define it so it's not lost in all of that light coloring. Now go ahead and carry it down onto your neck and collarbones and define the areas of your chest. Ultimately, I ended up with a heart shape, which I was very happy about, which is kind of pointless because ultimately we're going to be covering it up here in just a minute. For the lips, we're going to go ahead and cover them in a cherry red shade of lipstick. I'm using a defining brush to go ahead and get them all the way to the edge of the lips. I'm then blending some darker shadows around the corner creases as well as the outer edge of the lips to give them a little bit more definition to make them pop. And then finishing them with a little bit of red gloss. That is it for the lips. I'm pretty happy with that, and I'm not doing anything to the eyes for this look. And we'll be working with some small red crystals, and this is the portion of the video where I realize my file is corrupted. Anyways, I went ahead and took a medium-sized crystal at the bottom of each teardrop, and then put two smaller crystals above, and here I am just taking ultra-fine red glitter combined with liquid latex to complete the rest. You're going to want to keep a space between the edge of it and the edge of your eyelid so that you're not getting your lashes in this liquid latex, and as always, make sure you are not allergic. This is actually a piece that I got off of Amazon that's made for adding to dresses, and I just cut it to the shape I wanted and added glitter and a back piece to help adhere it to the chest. Now I'm just adding liquid latex onto the chest and onto the piece itself, allowing it to get tacky and then pressing it down to stick it. This is another piece that I got and it will be linked below as well, and I just clipped it in the back. Now we're going to add some swirls around the outer edges. Using that same liquid latex with the ultrafine glitter, I just started making swirl designs, and I do apologize because one side is going to be substantially thicker than the other because of the way my lights were shining on it. I couldn't actually see what I was doing as it starts off clear for me, and it did not turn out exactly as planned, but what can you do? I decided to add a few of those same medium-sized crystals, and you will see that I'm just placing them randomly in a design that I liked, and I'm going to follow that up with some of the smaller crystals in the same way. Now I'm just pressing some of that ultra-fine red glitter onto the lips to add a little bit more of a glam effect. Add a stretchy blindfold, and this look is done. Thank you guys so very much for watching today. I know you have a massive selection of videos to choose from on YouTube, and I am so very grateful each and every time you choose to watch one of mine. See you later.